Today we're going to make a classic Pizza Alach or anchovy pizza using our gluten-free pizza dough recipe. This pizza dough actually tastes like real dough. It's pretty amazing. So once you roll it out, you top it, and it's ready to go into the oven. We topped ours with mozzarella, anchovies, capers, onions, red pepper flakes, olive oil, and salt. So we're cooking at about 900 degrees. So let's watch this bake in real time. You can see the bubbles starting to generate. That's the steam inside of the dough itself. Now it's going to cook faster on the side closest to the fire, so make sure you rotate it. Using the Saputo Stones prevents the flash steaming and subsequent burning of the bottom of your pizza. It is the only surface that's out there that allows you to be able to cook at these temperatures and not completely blister the bottom of your pizza. Here we go. We're done. It's as simple as that. This is a fantastic pizza. Whether you like anchovies or not, it's a classic, and it's really, really good. Give it a try. I'm sure you'll love it. Enjoy.